Hey, sixth graders, you wanted a little help on solving this triangular prism in the surface area? Make sure to find the area of all the sections again. Again, start out with those rectangles. It's 8 by 10, so multiply 8 times 10 to get 80. You're going to do that same thing for all 3 of these. They're all going to be 8 by 10. So make sure to write those surface areas inside of those. Okay? For the triangles, remember that your formula is base times height divided by 2. How long is that base? The base is 10. The height is 8, and then we're going to divide it by 2. So again, do 10 times 8 divided by 2 and see what you get. Whatever you get, write that in your triangle. Do the same thing down here to find that. And since they're the same, you're going to have the same thing. Make sure that you're going to add 5 scores together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you're still stuck and you're not getting it, go ahead and ask the teacher. They'll help walk you through it or show you some steps you might have missed. But remember, start with that 80 and then add the other areas that we found there. Okay? Nice job.